In this video, I'll guide you through how to log into your Gmail account, whether you're signing in on a new device, coming back after a while, or just need a clear walkthrough. We'll go step by step so you know exactly what to do and what to look out for on the screen. First, you'll need to open Gmail. The most common way to do this is by opening a web browser like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari, and going to the Gmail website. In the address bar at the top of your browser, type gmail.com and press enter. If you're on a phone or tablet, you might instead tap the Gmail app icon. Either way, the goal is the same. Get to the Gmail sign-in page where you can log into your account. Once the Gmail sign-in page loads, you'll see a field where you can enter your email address. This is where you type the full email you use with Gmail. That might be something ending in @gmail.com, or if you use a custom domain with Google, it could be a different address. Type it carefully to avoid any spelling mistakes, because even a small typo can stop you from logging in. After you've entered your email address, look for the button labeled Next and click or tap it. This tells Gmail to move on to the password step. If the email address you entered is recognized, the page will change and you'll now see a password field. If instead you see a message saying the account couldn't be found, double check that you typed the address correctly and make sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end. Now it's time to enter your password. In the password box, carefully type the password associated with that Gmail account. Passwords are case sensitive, so pay attention to uppercase and lowercase letters, and make sure your caps lock key is not turned on by accident. If you're on a personal device that you trust, you can take your time here to be precise. If you're using a public or shared computer, try to be a bit more discreet and avoid saving your login information on that device. Below or near the password field, you might see an option to show or hide the password you're typing. If you're in a private place, turning this on can help you confirm that you've entered everything correctly. If you ever forget your password, look for the Forgot Password link on this screen. That will walk you through Google's recovery process. But for now, assuming you know your password, just type it in. Once your password is entered, click or tap the sign in button. Gmail will process your information, and if everything is correct, you'll be taken straight to your inbox. Here you'll see your emails, folders, and any labels you've set up. On some accounts, you may be asked for an extra verification step, like a code sent to your phone. If that happens, just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the security check. That's all you need to do. Open Gmail, enter your email address, click Next, enter your password, and click Sign In. After that, you're ready to read, send, and organize your emails in Gmail.